Woodworking is a rewarding and creative hobby that allows you to transform simple materials into beautiful and functional pieces. For beginners, the best projects are those that are easy to execute yet have the potential for high profits. This video showcases a variety of small woodworking projects that not only enhance your skills, but can also fetch a good price in the market. Whether you're looking to make a little extra money or simply want to create unique gifts for friends and family, these projects will inspire you to get started. As you embark on this woodworking journey, you'll discover that even simple designs can lead to impressive outcomes. Each project listed here is crafted with the beginner in mind, ensuring that you can build confidence while bringing your ideas to life. From practical home decor to charming gifts, these woodworking endeavors will help you cultivate your craftsmanship and profitability. So, grab your tools and let's dive in. In today's bustling marketplace, even small woodworking projects can garner significant attention and profit if marketed effectively. As a beginner, understanding your audience and positioning your products is crucial for success. The first step is identifying your target market. Consider whether you'll cater to home decorators, gift shoppers, or practical-minded buyers. Each segment has unique preferences that can influence your project designs and marketing strategies. Utilizing social media platforms is an effective way to showcase your creations. Visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are excellent for displaying your woodworking projects, as they thrive on captivating imagery. Post high-quality photos of your work in various settings, showcasing not just the products, but also the lifestyle they promote. Engaging captions and relevant hashtags will help attract a broader audience and direct potential buyers to your work. Building an online presence through a dedicated website or an Etsy shop can also boost visibility. Share your woodworking journey, including insights into the materials used and the inspiration behind each piece. Providing behind-the-scenes glimpses of the crafting process can create a deeper connection with potential buyers. Participating in local craft fairs and markets allows you to reach a community-oriented audience. Setting up a booth not only provides an opportunity to sell your products, but also to interact with customers face-to-face. Offer samples and be prepared to discuss your craftsmanship and the unique qualities of your projects. Personal interactions can create lasting impressions and encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Collaborating with local businesses or artisans can expand your reach significantly. Partnering with shops that align with your aesthetic or audience can create mutual benefits, leading to cross-promotions that boost visibility for both parties. Consider offering to supply local boutiques with your products on a consignment basis, allowing them to sell your work while you focus on creating. Online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon Handmade can elevate your sales potential without the need for extensive marketing. These platforms attract shoppers specifically looking for handcrafted items, which aligns perfectly with your woodworking projects. Optimize your product listings with descriptive titles, detailed descriptions, and Email marketing is another powerful tool to engage your audience. Collect email addresses from interested visitors at craft fairs or online signups. Sending newsletters with updates on new projects, sales, or woodworking tips keeps your audience informed and excited about your work. Create a sense of community by encouraging feedback and sharing customer photos of your products in their homes. Content marketing, such as creating a blog or tutorial videos, can help establish you as an authority in the woodworking niche. Providing value through tips, project ideas, and techniques can attract readers who may eventually turn into buyers. Share your journey, challenges, and successes, which can resonate deeply with your audience. Search engine optimization is vital for driving organic traffic to your website or online store. Incorporate relevant keywords related to woodworking projects into your product descriptions and blog posts. This optimization increases the chances of appearing in search results, attracting potential customers. Leveraging customer testimonials and reviews enhances credibility and trust. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback and share their experiences with your products. Displaying testimonials prominently on your website or social media can influence potential buyers' decisions positively. Finally, consider seasonal marketing strategies. Tailoring your projects to holidays or special occasions can create urgency and increase sales. Promote gift options around holidays like Christmas, Mother's Day, or Father's Day, highlighting how your woodworking pieces make thoughtful and personal gifts. By actively employing these marketing strategies, you can successfully promote your beginner woodworking projects and maximize your profit potential. With creativity, persistence, and effective outreach, your woodworking endeavors can flourish. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in our video to easy small woodworking projects that beginners can create for high profit. Your journey into woodworking can be both rewarding and profitable, and we're excited to see what you create. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips, techniques, and project ideas. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone interested in starting their own projects. Your support helps us grow and continue providing valuable resources. Happy woodworking, and we look forward to seeing you next time.